Hello everyone, this is Chef Malak here. Today I'm going to show you how I made my keto delicious cheese bread. Okay, we started off with some almond flour with some cheese. You see me there season because I want to give it that garlic head, tasting. So we have some cheese, mozzarella cheese. You're going to put some of the cream cheese. You want to make sure that it's 100% whole cream cheese, and just pour that and a couple scoop, and we're gonna go in and warm that a little bit. You see me, by the time I'm warming, I'm seasoning the almonds. See, okay, put it in the microwave. You're gonna warm that. You're gonna come back, you're gonna test it out to see if the texture is melted. You won't melt it right away. I'm not asking you to do that, just wait. And again, mix it really good with the cream cheese, and you can pop on the microwave and melt it again for the second time. At this point, come out from the microwave, it should be melted. You see, the texture change. Mix it very good and pour your dry ingredient, which is just basically almond flour, and a little bit of baking powder and some salt and season. And then we have I put some oil, just some butter, just to make sure that you grease your pan very, very nicely. The size that you want it now, because I'm gonna make them fly. I want it to be like a rectangle cheese bread. As you can see, the dough is beautiful, it's nice, and that's the consistency you want it. Alright, and shape it as you want, because I just want to make sure that it's flat. They are not like somewhere bumping, so make that it's really smooth. Use your back of your spatula to do this. I'm going to pop on the microwave about 15 to 18 minutes, and then we're going to mix the butter with some fresh cilantro and some garlic, and just brush that really, really good on top of it. It's good and delicious. It's very easy to make, guys. And then after you let it cool a little bit, go in and take a bite. Slice it. It's yours. You made it. You pat yourself on the back and take pieces and just delicious. You see me right there. I can't wait to taste it. It's delicious, ladies. Gentlemen, you can make this if you don't want to eat some type of regular flour bread. You guys know we all craving cheese.